Hi there, we're working on the Algebra 2 Unit 3 test review. We're looking at problems 1 and 2 where we are solving systems of linear equations, and we're going to solve them by graphing. As a reminder, the way these equations are written, they're in slope-intercept form, which is the y equals mx plus b form. So we're going to start with the b, the y-intercept. So on the top equation, we're looking at -4, so we start at -4 on the y-axis. There's no number in front of the x, so that means the slope is like 1 or 1 over 1. So we're going to go up 1 over 1. And we can keep repeating that. And we sketch in our line. The second line, the y-intercept, is the +2, so we start at 2 on the y-axis. Slope is -5 or -5 over 1, so it means we're going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. It's about the only point that's going to fit on there. Luckily, it's hitting the other graph. And we're going to attempt to sketch this line in. Hopefully yours came out straighter than mine did. Important part here is we found the spot where they are crossing. The coordinates for that point are at 1 for the x, -3 on the y, and that would be the solution. Number 2, still dealing with our y equals mx plus b form. So for the top equation, we're starting at 3 for the b, that's the y-intercept, 3 on the y-axis. -1/3 for the slope, so we're going down 1 and over 3. Or if you want to do the opposite, we go up 1 and left 3 to get our line. Not bad. For the second equation, the intercept's at -2, so we're starting at -2 on the y-axis. And our slope is -2 on -2 over 1, so we're going down 2 and to the right 1, or up 2 and to the left 1. Let's repeat this a couple times till we get our nice, there we go, that's where we're going to end up crossing. So we sketch our line in. Find the point where two graphs are crossing. The coordinates in this case, the x is at -3, and the y looks like it's at 4. So our solution point is going to be at -3, 4.